Welcome to our quick guide on leverage in crypto trading. Ever wondered how traders manage to deal in amounts much larger than what they actually have? Let's dive in. Leverage is essentially using borrowed capital to trade. For example, with a 10x leverage, your $100 can wield the buying power of $1,000. This means bigger trades and the potential for bigger profits. Think of it as a lever boosting your trading power. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. High leverage can lead to high rewards, but it also increases the risk. A small drop in market price can lead to significant losses, or even liquidation if the market moves against you. Always use leverage with caution. Start with lower leverage to manage risks better, and never forget to set stop-loss orders to protect your investments. Ready to trade with leverage? Educate yourself, start small, and trade smart. For more tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated.